So get method, what it will do, this is again an interview question also. They ask sometimes what is the difference between get and to method. So driver.get method is used to open a URL and it will wait till the whole page gets loaded. WebDriver will wait until the page has fully loaded before returning control to the your test case and execution. But in case of a to method, it will not wait to load the complete page for you. It will just navigate to the web page, and rest if web page is heavy, multiple things are there on your page, it will not wait to load all the content on your web page. If you will try to perform some action immediately after that, maybe you will get failure there, and you have to explicitly handling the wait in that case if you are using a to method. But if you are using the get method, internally it will handle the wait also for you for your URL. So this is the one of the differences there. And in the to method, it maintains the browser history and cookies, so we can use the forward and backward button also to navigate between the pages. This is the correct that we have seen, because how it is clicking on back and forward, because it is storing the history, that's why it is able to navigate back and forward. So but get method will not do that.
So Rahul, if you're launching a page using get method, then can't we use navigate to backward and forward thing?
No, you can't use that. No, I mean you can use that, but
Oh.
the way is, you have to use again the navigation one. I mean, what I'm saying, you're talking about like this, right? You can do that. That's not an issue. It is using the browser history. Okay, like this you are saying.
Yeah, yeah.
So always any doubt you come, na? So always do that practical. So you will come to know how it is happening, what is happening. You can do still it is doing the same thing. So method, but you have to use the navigation method only for that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That is okay.
Yeah. So it is basically using the history and cookies of our browser. Okay, so we can use forward and backward button. It is maintaining browser history and cookies from the browser. You can understand it is from the browser. I have mentioned the browser history and cookies. And get method refreshes the page to change the URL. Navigation.to method to the page by changing the URL like forward or backward navigation. And this is the syntax for a get, and this is the syntax for the to method. Suppose if I want to navigate to the some external URL from the current application, different from the current application. So in that case, you can use the to method in that case. So like that you can use, but mostly we use the get method because I want to wait for my page load. My page should get fully load. So in that case, we use the get method. Any doubt in that?